Unleashing artistic expression and creativity through painting requires keeping essential tools nearby, which is why this video showcases 20 essential painting tools you can't do without. The Titan Impact 410 electric airless sprayer is a versatile tool essential for a wide range of painting tasks. Whether you're painting your home, maintaining a property, or working on a small commercial project, this sprayer is indispensable. Its ability to handle a variety of coatings including stains, lacquers, enamels, and latex makes it indispensable for diverse painting tasks. The sprayer features a proven Impact Series fluid section and innovative components such as self-adjusting Quad Plus packings and Perm Life cylinder, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. Its field-serviceable design allows for easy maintenance, and the dependable mechanical pressure control system guarantees precise application. With an all-metal construction, compact design, and robust metal card, this sprayer delivers durability, portability, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for any painting project. For professionals seeking top-notch quality and ease, the PESS System is the epitome of essential painting tools. This system is every painter's dream that embodies efficiency and durability. Crafted from robust black polypropylene, it defies warping, ensuring longevity in your painting endeavors. With its dual roll-off inside grid pattern, it accommodates multiple painters, boosting productivity significantly. Pouring paint is a breeze thanks to the spout, enhancing cleanup convenience. Its 5-gallon capacity is perfect for collaborative projects, ideal for tasks requiring 2 hands. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures effortless carrying, and it's caster wheel compatible for effortless mobility. With added features like a brush and mini roller set, it's the ultimate painting companion. Introducing the Black & Decker 55-watt detail sander, a revolutionary tool inspired by the computer mouse and a quintessential addition to every DIY painter. Its lightweight, compact, and ergonomic design grants unparalleled control and comfort, enabling precise sanding even in the most intricate and uneven spaces. This powerhouse is your go-to solution for paint and rust removal, glass cleaning, and adding those finishing touches to DIY projects effortlessly. The sanding experience is further enhanced with its rotatable base, allowing extended paper life, while the removable tips provide unmatched versatility. With rubber grips for comfort, a convenient rocker switch for continuous operation, and a teardrop-shaped base for accessing tight corners, this sander is your ultimate companion in crafting flawless paintwork. Elevate your painting projects with the Rustoleum X1200 mixer, an essential powerhouse designed for perfection. Experience effortless stirring with its ergonomic handle and large lever arm, reducing the strain on your hands. Say goodbye to messy starts thanks to the soft start and variable speed trigger that eliminate material splashes. Its stable rubber corners not only safeguard the machine but also provide secure placement against walls. Tailor-made for every material, the electronic speed control ensures precise mixing, while the robust 1200W motor guarantees power and torque. Embrace efficiency and precision in your painting endeavors with the Rustoleum X1200 mixer, your essential partner for flawless professional results. Revolutionize your painting experience with the Paint Tools PowerLock extension pole, the ultimate choice for professionals seeking precision and durability. This professional-grade pole offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to lock it at any desired length. Its robust locking mechanism outlasts the competition, ensuring longevity and reliability. With a universal tip compatible with Quick Connect and Acme threaded frames, this extension pole becomes an essential tool in your painting arsenal. Upgrade your painting game with PowerLock extension pole and discover a new level of efficiency and ease in every stroke. Here comes the Wagner Ferno 500 Heat Gun, a magic wand for your next plumbing project. This tool isn't just a heat gun, it's a painter's dream come true, effortlessly stripping away old paint, softening adhesives with finesse, and reshaping the very fabric of your creative visions with its 12 temperature settings. It feels like wielding the power of the sun in your hands. The sleek LED screen dances with vibrant graphics controlled by a touch as gentle as a painter's brush stroke, while its ergonomic design feels like an extension of your artistic soul. Imagine two fan settings whispering promises of precision, accompanied by a cool-down mode that's as refreshing as a breeze on a hot summer day. With its integrated stand, it stands tall and proud, allowing your hands the freedom to craft, to mold, and to create hands-free. The Masking Master is an ultimate essential tool for painters, transforming the way masking tape is applied with its perfect alignment and length cutting features. It enables flawless tape placement and precise distancing, ensuring impeccable straight lines for professional painting results. This innovative tool operates 5 times faster and safer, allowing effortless tape application in a single fluid motion. Equipped with unique accessories for various applications including lines and corners, the Masking Master guarantees perfection every time. By emphasizing the necessity of looping for ideal alignment and overlap, it has become an indispensable asset for painters seeking efficiency and precision in their projects. Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape. Meet the Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape, your ultimate painting companion, redefining the way you approach your projects. Specifically crafted for surfaces needing that extra touch of care, like wood floors, wallpaper, paper, and freshly painted walls. This tape is your ticket to precision and protection. Its gentle adhesive allows it to cling securely for up to 60 days, and when it's time to remove it, it vanishes without a sticky residue. With the innovative edge-lock technology, you can create sharp, clean lines for accent walls or intricate patterns, ensuring a professional finish every time. Whether you're safeguarding your surfaces or unleashing your creativity, rely on Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape to transform your projects into works of art. Elevate your painting prowess with the Graco Magnum X7, the quintessential tool every DIY enthusiast dreams of. This powerhouse, equipped with a hardened stainless steel piston pump, effortlessly sprays unthinned paints, making it a must-have for essential painting tasks. Its flexible suction hose allows seamless transition between 1 or 5-gallon paint containers, while the true airless spray tip and soft spray technology ensure precise control, minimizing overspray. The convenient built-in cart makes maneuvering a breeze, ideal for tackling interior projects and transforming exteriors. With adjustable pressure control for optimum paint flow and a power flush adapter for swift cleanups, the X7 isn't just a tool. It's your painting ally, simplifying tasks, saving time, and making every stroke a masterpiece. The Height Evolution roller cover is a painting essential designed for superior performance and flawless finishes. This 18-inch roller cover has a 3/8-inch nap, provides optimal coverage, and is ideal for smooth applications. Its lint-free design ensures a clean and professional finish, making it perfect for semi-gloss and high-gloss finishes where a smooth surface is essential. The roller cover is renowned for its excellent paint pickup capabilities, allowing for efficient and even application. With the roller cover, you can achieve a seamless and professional look in your painting projects, making it an indispensable tool for anyone aiming for perfection in their work. This tool's innovation lies in its direct feed system, pulling paint straight from 1 or 5-gallon containers, ensuring productive, drip-free, non-stop painting. With the auto feed control, experience continuous paint flow for rapid coverage, allowing you to complete substantial projects faster than ever before. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional paint rollers. The Wagner Sidekick roller transforms your painting experience, making it not just efficient but also exciting. Elevate your painting game with this essential tool where productivity meets perfection in every stroke. Transform your painting experience with Frog Tape Prograde Orange Painter's Tape. This dynamic tape isn't just a roll. It's your ultimate painting partner, designed for perfection in every stroke. With high adhesion and quick stick, it tackles various surfaces effortlessly, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're masking light fixtures, sprucing up doorways, or adding a protective layer, its conformable backing ensures ease of use. What sets it apart? The magic lies in its 3-day clean removal without shredding, making it the only choice for hassle-free painting. It sticks better than beige, offering production painters unmatched efficiency and precision. Say goodbye to paint bleed and hello to flawless finishes. Frog Tape Prograde Orange, where perfection meets paint. Now here comes the Rustoleum's Comfort Grip, your ticket to effortless spray painting perfection. This ingenious tool empowers you with unparalleled control, ensuring every spray results in a smooth, professional finish. Featuring a 2-finger trigger that minimizes fatigue and a safety lock to prevent unexpected sprays, it's the ultimate painting companion. The large, soft-touch trigger reduces finger fatigue, and its robust construction endures repetitive use. Whether you're tackling big projects or intricate details, this grip guarantees precision and ease. Bid farewell to tired hands and uneven finish lines. The Rustoleum's Comfort Grip makes spray painting a breeze, transforming your creations into flawless works of art. Meet your painting savior, the Sheline TouchUp Painter, a game-changing essential for every DIY enthusiast. This innovative tool not only stores your paint inside but also delivers a consistent, brush mark-free finish with its fabric roller designed exclusively for latex paint. It slashes project time by 30%, making quick touch-ups a breeze after your project. Just fill and store the tube for future use. It's that easy. Say goodbye to marks and scuffs. This touch-up painter covers them in a flash, ensuring your walls always look freshly painted. Don't just paint. Paint smarter and faster with the Sheline TouchUp Painter, your key to flawless, refreshed spaces. Next up, we have the Graco TrueCoat 360 DSP, an essential tool for painters who seek perfection at any cost. This powerhouse sprays paint and stain effortlessly without thinning, ensuring the smoothest and fastest finish imaginable. Its dual speeds grant precise control with minimum overspray, while the high-pressure tungsten carbide piston pump handles even the heaviest paints flawlessly. With a set including narrow and wide spray tips, flex liner paint bags, and a durable storage case, it's your all-in-one solution. From stains to heavy latex and acrylic, it handles a variety of coatings with ease, excluding only flammable materials. Experience painting mastery with the TrueCoat 360 DSP, where efficiency meets excellence, making every stroke a masterpiece. In terms of painting, the first thing that comes to mind is the brush. Meet the Worcester Angle Sash Paintbrush. It allows you to paint on any corner with its ergonomic build style designed for shortcut use. The Worcester brush comes with a soft and flexible short grip handle to enhance your maneuverability, making it easy to drive the brush in any direction while painting on crafts. The non-slip surface lets you grab well to draw sensitive paint lines. The brush has synthetic white nylon and gold polyester plant hairs for covering all types of paint. Overall, combining the angular design, short grip handle, and brush-plated steel ferrule, this brush is your value for crowds, hobbies, and general works. 17. While having paints in your favorite room, you need something to block the harsh notches and color drops from reaching the good part of the wall. The Scotch Painter's Tape does that for you. It's a medium-grade adhesive tape that will help you achieve super sharp paint lines for a perfectly aligned design. Moreover, you can place the tape on the wall, tiles, baseboards, glasses, and any dry object you name it. Besides sticking to the surface, it can prevent UV and sun rays to protect your paintings from fading away. It can stick up to 14 days, a huge advantage in case of taking work breaks. The Scotch Blue Tape is very safe to remove once you pull it back, holding from a 45 degrees angle. Its flexible build quality, long-lasting pairing, and ease of use make this tape an efficient part of your painting job. Without a ladder, you cannot reach the high corners of your wall or ceiling to paint. The little giant flip-in light is here for you with a slim, light, and stable form factor. It allows you to climb up to the highest corner of your home. It's a 6-foot stepladder, weighing around 14 pounds and holding up to 300 pounds of weight with much strength. In addition, its extra-wide rungs help you lessen foot fatigue for longer work time. Also, you'll find a little tool compartment on the top of the ladder to keep all your essential equipment during work. Overall, Having a light and portable design, certified ratings, and sturdy safety legs, you can use the Little Giant Flip 6 feet in a serious paint job or Christmas light setup. With this, you don't have to damage your buckets and bowls. If you have a paint cutter for mixing different paints and ingredients, meet the Bor Paint Cup, which is an excellent solvent-resistant paint container. First of all, this cup is made of disposable material along with a semi-gloss body finish. It can hold up to 1 pint of paint, which is handy and portable. Furthermore, it has a magnetic brush holder that sticks under the brush ferrules to keep the brush fresh, and a scraper lip helps you retain extra liquid in the cup. Comparing all aspects, the Bor Paint Cup is handy for its comfortable design, brush holder, and interior/exterior capability. Get yourself familiar with this PorterCable Heat Gun to have a perfect surface before starting the paint job. This heat gun can deliver a high heat flow to diminish the old paint or whip conditions in a matter of time. Equipped with a 1,500-watt power-delivering coil and high-speed fan, this heat gun can produce massive heat. Having 2 speed selectors and a temperature dial, you can adjust the temperature according to your surface materials. Overall, having a sturdy long cord, integrated hands-free stand, and lightweight design, the PorterCable Heat Gun is valid for painting, including other tasks. So that was the list of the 30 painting tools that you must have.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.